Hi guys, this is Astasha entertaining your mind one video at a time. Welcome back to my crazy world. Today I'm doing a Zara haul. I have never done hauls before, so it's my first time. I went on the Zara app and I ordered a lot of things. It's a mix of summer and casual outfits, not winter outfits, but like it's a mix of different vibes of outfits. And I spent 31,000 on this. So I'm going to tell you the prices of all what I'm wearing. Of course, I'm not going to be styling it right now, but I'm just going to show you what I got. And maybe you can comment and tell me if I should keep them or I should return a few if it's not like suiting me, because I've not tried them yet. I just picked them online and I've ordered for it. Don't know about the size, don't know any single thing. Okay, so let's not waste any more time and let's go. Starting with this one first. This one is for 3,000 rupees. Let me just put it on. It's very casual, but it's a very pretty dress. I think it's fitting me really well. Also, I think I need to get out of this whole thing of, wearing like these really tight fitted clothes. I think I should also try loose fits. But since I've been small, I used to always like skinny jeans, tight fitted jeans, and even tops, like crop tops, tight fitted. But yeah, I think I've ordered for some oversized stuff as well. I'm not sure. Also, I just checked the size is S. Next one is this cord set. This is the top. This one is size S. It's for 2,000 rupees. And the pants are a little formal, but this one is size M and this is also for 2,000 rupees. So the entire set is for 4,000. This one's like really body hugging. I think the top I could do one size bigger, I'm not sure. This one's like really tight fitted. I like this, but I don't love this. I don't know if I'll wear it anywhere. So I'm probably gonna return this. It's giving like formal, informal vibes. Informal because the top is a little low, but I'm gonna return this. Okay, next we have this dress. This one is size XS and it is for 5,000 rupees. I wonder what is so beautiful about it. Okay, it's black, it's cute, it has this frilly kind of a thing, but I don't think it's worth 5,000 rupees. Like, just because it's a brand and it's Zara. I mean, I'm sure there are like cheaper alternatives with like a very similar style. So I'm returning this. Next, I'm trying these shiny striped pants. You can see the shine. This looks really cool and different. This is for 3,000 rupees and it's size S. I do a switch between M and S depending on the brand. This one seems a little loose, so M should work. And this is a top which I got separately. I'm going to try it on top of it. This one is size S and it's for 2,500. This is really nice. Black is my favorite color. Black and blue. It's so body hugging again. See, I told you I really like body hugging outfits. And the sleeves are also nice. It's basic, but it's a nice fabric here. So I think you can wear it in the night also. The pants are really cool. I don't know how to show it to you, but like it has a very loose fit. And I think it's looking nice. I'm gonna keep this. Okay, now I have a few tops. I'm gonna just wear it on top of these black pants, but of course you can style it with like a white skirt, white pants, or beige, green, blue, whatever you want. I found something very different. I just love this. I've never owned something like this. It has so many thready things. This is brown, it's size S, and it's for 3,000 rupees. I've never worn something like this, so I may look funny, but let's give it a try. I found this really cool, this whole thing. I wish I had like shorts or like a blue shorts, denim shorts, or a white skirt under this. I think it'd look really nice. I'm definitely keeping this. Fully out of my comfort zone, but let's do this. I quite love it. And the color is also nice. It's like brown. I think polka dots are in fashion again. This is a very summery Europe, Italy kind of a vibe. There's a string at the back to tighten your shirt if you want. This one is for 2,500 and this is excess. I mean, it's a shirt, so I got excess. And it's not like a normal white and black polka dot. It's like blue and brown. Imagine wearing like brown pants down and like this. It's so nice. It's fitting so well. I love it. I've never been like a shirt person, but lately I've got into it a bit. So I think I'm keeping this. We next have a very plain blue shirt. It's a very normal, I think, brunch or like office vibes. It's very chill. This is size XS and this is for 2,500 rupees. This one's like a simple top, like a cute brunch kind of a vibe if you're going with your girls or something. Maybe on like a white long skirt or a white short skirt, or even like pink denims or something maybe. So I think it's cute. It's fitting me really well. And I like this, I like the whole neckline here. Last one is this red dress. It has like hearts. It's a very Valentine vibe. This one is size S and it is for 3,350 rupees. Let's try this on. I kept the best for the last. And red generally looks good on me because it really like reflects. Okay, after the brown thread top, this is my favorite. I wish I could show it to you in person, like how it's looking. It's looking so nice. The colors, I mean, the light keeps changing here, so the colors look very different. But this is looking so nice. It's fitting so well. And this whole heart thing here, it's looking very cute. I feel it's a little expensive, but I'm not keeping all the things, so it's fine. My next year's Valentine's Day outfit is set. That's about it from this haul. Thank you so much for watching. If you like such videos, please let me know. I can do different hauls of like different brands and actually tell you if something is worth buying or no, and if it actually looks good. Of course, everyone's body type and it's all different, but why not? I can just do a haul and maybe you can see if something can look good or no. Okay, bye. See you in the next one.